Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've prepared the basics. Now jump straight into accessibility. Open Settings and go to Accessibility or Language and Input, whichever your device uses. Once there, find Text-to-Speech, Speech Services, or Voice Settings so you can see the active engine and default voice. Make sure you note any app-specific overrides before changing anything, because apps may reset your preferences. This first step gives you a clear map of where TTS lives on your system and what will be affected when you turn it off. Now disable the engine itself. Select the active text-to-speech engine and choose Disable, Turn Off, or Uninstall updates to stop it running. You should also revoke microphone and accessibility permissions for any TTS apps. Go into App Permissions and remove access so services cannot auto-enable. If the OS requires a default engine, switch it to None or a silent placeholder so no voice is selected. Once done, confirm changes and watch for system prompts that may try to restore the service. Finish by restarting your device to apply system-level changes and prevent background services from restarting. After reboot, test notifications, screen reader toggles, and any apps that previously used TTS to confirm silence. Make sure to open an app that had TTS and verify its internal setting is off. If text-to-speech returns unexpectedly, clear app defaults, uninstall recent helper apps, or disable accessibility shortcuts. One key troubleshooting tip: check for third-party accessibility help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.